Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by giving the tracker what it needs: permission and a reachable number. Open the app, grant location and background refresh, and enter the target number with country code. Make sure you have explicit consent if required, otherwise stop. Once done, verify signal, Wi-Fi or 4G/5G, and confirm battery is above 20% so the device won't sleep. Then tap Start or Locate. The app will initiate pings to triangulate position and show a live marker on the map. Once the tracker returns a location, refine accuracy by switching modes. Prefer GPS when available, fall back to Wi-Fi or cell triangulation otherwise. You should adjust the refresh rate depending on needs: 5 seconds for live pursuit, 30 seconds to save battery, 1 minute for passive monitoring. Make sure to enable map layers like satellite or terrain to interpret surroundings, and activate heat map or confidence rings to view estimated error. While monitoring, watch for sudden jumps. They often. To finish, lock the final reading by saving timestamped coordinates and a map snapshot. Export the data as CSV or KML if you need to share it with consent. Make sure you document the method and permissions used. If accuracy drops or tracking fails, try quick fixes. Toggle airplane mode to reset radios, restart the app, or regrant GPS permissions. If problems persist, ask the device owner to reboot. These steps restore core services and usually resolve most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.